Hey guys, welcome back. This week we're sort of in transit limbo, coming from our trip in Japan to our next destination. After the first leg of our flight, we've got about a 9-hour layover in Singapore's Changi airport, so we're going to be exploring the Jewel, home to the world's largest indoor waterfall, and tons of retail to explore. Fair warning, we're a little tired after our flight from Osaka, but let's dive in. Since we had so much time, we decided to dump our bags at one of the convenient luggage storage options here at Changi. For all 4 of our bags, it was $40 for the whole time that we would be here, so not too bad. Since there wasn't any carts available in the Jewel, the last thing that we wanted to do was be rolling around with all of our bags in this crowded area, so this was totally worth it. We're a little tuckered out from our trip.
No, your snoring kept me up all night. It made me wake up early. I woke up at 5 a.m. You were a snoring princess.
I woke up at 6 for the record.
Yeah, well, your snoring kept me awake. And you took a nap in the taxi on the way to the airport.
Barely. Oh no, that was like a 10-minuter. No. That was like a 10-minute job. We're tired. We're both tired. It's not a contest. After we ate and rested for a second, we decided to pamper ourselves at one of the many self-care options at the Jewel.
So, we're trying to kill time, and I got Nick to do his least favorite thing. What are you getting done? Manicure and pedicure, but you can't see the tootsies. That's for the OnlyFans.
This is great. This is what I wanted in my trip to the Jewel in Singapore. Came all the way here to get a manicure and pedicure.
You were complaining the other day that you needed to cut your nails, so here you go.
After this, I'm taking you to a brewery.
Oh god.
We're doing stuff you don't want to do.
Nice. That's fair.
Why do you look like you're in pain?
Because I am in pain.
No, you're not.
I just don't like the way it feels. It feels weird. It's not fun. I'll be okay.
How was your manicure and pedicure?
It was just different. I don't normally get them, so it's like, it's weird for
You're
me.
freaked out.
So it was a weird experience for me.
To be pampered?
Yeah, especially getting it at basically the airport. It's just like a strange experience for me, but let's explore the rest of this place. I'm very excited to see.
Your experience.
5 stars. She did a great job. She even got the little, like the small scissors. She really got in there and dug out all this stuff.
Cold and stuff.
Yeah, it was gross.
You needed to show them your manicure.
It's very nice, very nice.
Looking great, man.
The Jewel is a massive entertainment complex that was opened in late 2019. It includes gardens, attractions, a hotel, over 300 retail and dining options, spanning over 10 floors, 5 above ground and 5 below. We had quite a bit of ground to cover in our 9-hour layover. Oh, we found the Lego store? Whatever this is?
This is the off-brand Lego.
It's the off-brand Lego.
Now you can tell what it's
Let's look at
Those aren't Legos.
it's not Lego brand spokes on the things.
No, see?
These are like mini nano Legos. I mean, it's still pretty cool though. I do all this cool stuff. Look at a big dog. That's a big cat. That's a little dog. Look at the little corgis. Oh my god. Oh, it's getting tiny. Oh wow, this looks pretty cool. I mean, I'm not just saying that it's real cool. Looks like a toilet, it does.
Making this.
This is making you sleepy?
Yeah. Because it looks like my diffuser when the lights change. You know what it's looking
I know what you mean.
And then it says, there's like tranquil music playing right now.
people down there with the spin class. I would probably do that. But no, I'm not gonna. Absolutely not. Right now, catch me like when we've got like maybe a 10-hour layover.
You just said that you would do it.
Yeah, but like a 9-hour layover, that's really not enough to do like a spin class and feel good about it. But like 10 hours, if we had 10 hours, I would totally do it. Just like, I'm just saying, like I just need a little bit more time to recoup.
Yeah, okay.
Has nothing to do with my leg or my stamina.
As we mentioned before, the Rain Vortex is the largest indoor waterfall in the world, with a completely amazing light show accompanying it as well.
Starbucks or nap? Starbucks or nap? Starbucks or nap? We got 5 hours till our flight leaves, and you want Starbucks?
5 hours.
5 hours.
Oh, I think I'm gonna need a coffee then.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll join you with either a Monster or maybe an adult beverage.
But they got like a Starbucks reserved here. You don't want to get something at that one?
No, I'm good.
Oh, I'm fine.
So on our way to get coffee, we ran into a stationery store, which is essentially kryptonite for Anna.
I don't know. That's got cosmetics in here, which is bad as well.
Yeah, well, stationery is upstairs, so yeah, we're gonna do a little searching here, even though we don't need anything, right?
Yeah, whatever you say.
We're probably gonna buy a bunch of stuff. What is that for?
2 boxes.
Oh, cool.
These are really cute. Come on, Bruce recording my tits.
Oops, sorry, you put in the boxes.
You have a breath. Are you out of breath?
No.
I'm out of breath. I just like looking at home stuff that I don't need.
Yeah, but if we were at home, you know this would be like, we would have a bento box in our home. We would have all this
Sandwich box holder.
to keep my bread separate from my.
It's to like not squish your sandwich.
Oh, okay.
Ah, yes. The banana slicer. I always find these things funny.
These are all like specific slicers
It's
for.
like essentially the same. I just love kitchen tools. I think they're so that silly though.
This is weird. The crinkle cut.
This is essentially what the woman was using on your foot during
Oh,
pedicure.
okay. No, she was using this big
Yeah,
one.
yeah.
Yeah. We should get some of these for like our suitcase or something. I know you hate these, but
Looks like an oil.
look at all these guys.
Hey, look at this one.
Easy?
They're stuck in the door and then they're getting pushed. I don't know if these are pigs or rabbits.
I don't know what those are.
These are funny though, right?
Yeah. What you got there? Just taking a look at some of the stationery.
Yeah. I had my favorite highlighters over there. My pencil case. Why does this one look so sad? Look at how nice that looks. Very exciting.
It's very nice.
Shit, they got like washi. Oh, like. Those are the like pro like calligraphy pens.
The fact that we haven't bought anything yet, or she doesn't have anything in her hands, shows true restraint. I know she wants to buy everything in the store right now. Yeah? We don't have room.
Yeah, and I don't like bullet journal anymore because we don't have room. Oh, is this like a post-it? This is a sticky note, like a lipstick. It can be. Oh, that's so smart. Like washi tape strips it up. Man, nerd.
Alright, let's get out of here. Yes,
Look,
that's a label maker.
it's a label maker in the shape of a house. How cute is that? That's cute. Oh, look at the little trash can. Okay, I need to go.
And we've reached my area.
You didn't even see the wall behind you.
Look at that.
Yeah, you can look, but you can't buy. Gadget pouches with you away.
Okay, like I should get this. It's like to replace
How many have you lost already?
one. Just one.
On this trip,
Just one.
you lost one back home in Chicago in our house as well.
No. I only have the one. I swear. I only have the one. We come back.
Mm-hmm.
These are some nice bags. Ooh, open so you like pump all the air out.
Pump the air out of what?
Like your little the vacuum bags. So instead of packing the vacuum, you pack the little pump.
Why would you do that?
Instead of packing the vacuum, the big bulky vacuum, you pack the thing. You just pump it. Okay, we made it out of here without purchasing anything. Let's go to Starbucks, get you your energy. Here. Sit here.
This place looks pretty, but what I realized is I need to stop trying to order Starbucks abroad. It's not the same as back home. It's like, I ordered like vanilla sweet cream cold foam cold brew. Where's my cold foam? Like the sweet cream is in here, but it's not the foam, and I'm like, it's fine. At least this one's sweet. I remember I ordered one before, and it was just like, yeah, I just need to give up on international Starbucks.
Right, no more Starbucks.
No more Starbucks. It's fine. It's good. It's just not what I wanted.
Dude, there's so much here. We didn't even like get to the basement floors.
No,
We only did the top like 5 floors.
I'm also tired.
Also like definitely tired preparing for 14 hours of air flight.
Do we even know what terminal we're supposed to be in?
No clue. like how they handed you the phone.
Because I know the angles.
They just, yeah, you know the angles.
I know the angles. All the photos I take of you, you look like a supermodel. Your personal Instagram, you look like a single male model. Photos you take of me, I look like this.
What were you wondering?
You think I can like hop in there and then like just like puddle back up?
Just hop into the wave pool here?
And then,
No, I think you would die.
No.
I think you would pass into another realm. It definitely does not go back up to the top. Well, we weren't able to explore the entirety of the Jewel. It was too big. There's like 12 floors, there's too much stuff. We found a place where Anna and I are able to take a shower before our flight, which is pretty sweet. So we're gonna do that, and then we're heading back off to Cape Town. So, yeah.
Thanks so much for joining us at the Jewel. We'd love it if you hit that subscribe to follow along on our travels. We'll catch you next time.